All-terrain vehicles are enormously popular in Arkansas. ATVs, as they are popularly known, are versatile and are used for a variety of purposes. ATVs are important as work vehicles on farms. As their name implies, ATVs can access remote areas where conventional farm vehicles like pickup trucks and tractors cannot. ATVs are also used as short-run transportation in rural areas and are also popular for sport and off-road recreation. When ridden properly, ATVs are safe. Unfortunately, ATVs are involved in hundreds of serious injuries every year in Arkansas because they are operated recklessly. Deadly crashes are common and are increasing as the number of vehicles in the state grows. Children are at special risk for being injured in crashes involving ATVs.
In Children's Hospital, what we will see will be head injuries, the head being the most vulnerable part of the body. We see abdomen injuries where inertia makes them move forward into the handlebars, and then they'll stick their feet down to try to prevent a rollover or a fall, and we're seeing some pretty nasty injuries to the lower extremities.
The ATV industry is concerned and through local dealerships offers courses on ATV safety. Safety courses, however, are not well attended, leaving the majority of ATV owners in Arkansas operating their vehicles without the benefit of proper instruction. Children's Hospital in Little Rock is teaming up with the University of Arkansas Cooperative Extension Service to stem the tide of ATV crashes in the state. Newton County in northwest Arkansas ranks first for ATV injuries. It is here where Arkansas 4-H, the youth leadership section of the Cooperative Extension Service, is working on a pilot program to develop solutions to the ATV safety problem. Students taking part in the program are teamed together, taught leadership and facilitation skills, and sent into local high schools to interview other students to determine how youth use ATVs and their attitudes toward ATV safety. Program coordinators are looking at the information gathered by the 4-H teams in order to develop ATV safety recommendations acceptable to young people.
I know I've heard discussion among some of the adults in the state saying, well, there's certain things that kids just won't stand for. How can we get kids to accept this or that? Well, it's real funny because these things are the exact things that these kids are coming up with as the solution to the problem, such as mandatory training. If you're going to be driving a four-wheeler, you need to have some type of training available. Making helmets mandatory. One huge problem that we see is to make helmets just more affordable and more obtainable to a lot of these young people.
Children's Hospital and Extension Service Program coordinators are confident that the insights yielded by the study can be used to develop ATV safety programs used throughout Arkansas and the nation. If you ride an ATV, here are some safety tips you need to know to avoid getting injured. Children under 16 should not ride an ATV alone. It is best for younger riders to ride under the supervision of an experienced adult. Always wear proper safety gear while riding ATVs. Special helmets, goggles, boots, and gloves are designed to prevent injuries or minimize them when crashes do occur. Never ride ATVs on paved roads. ATVs are designed for dirt roads and off-road travel and are difficult to control on paved surfaces. Never carry a passenger unless the ATV is specifically designed to carry riders. Never ever operate an ATV under the influence of alcohol or drugs. ATVs are complex machines that require clear, unimpaired judgment to operate safely. Know the terrain of the course you are traveling before you leave. Surprises on the trail often lead to crashes. Know the local laws and abide by them. Every state and local area has restrictions on where and when you can ride, age limits, and training requirements. Only ride ATVs fitted to your age and size. Children riding adult vehicles are a common cause of ATV crashes. To learn more about ATV safety, contact your local county cooperative extension service agent and follow the links in this section.